nature, environment, living, and people. Small actions that may seem trivial but are not trivial, creating a clean and healthy environment. Valuable movements towards a green future. Li앤비 always strives for a better life for you and nature. ESG leader, eco-friendly product specialist, Li앤비. Li앤비 was founded in April 2018 with the corporate philosophy of pursuing minimal environmental pollution by using raw materials obtained from nature that are not harmful to the human body. In September of that year, Li앤비 signed a contract with Starbucks for paper straws. In July 2019, we developed adhesive paper straws and achieved sales of Korean won 4.1 billion in December of the same year. In 2020, we started domestic production of adhesive paper straws and achieved sales of Korean won 7.3 billion that year. We also completed the registration of 6 patents for paper straws. In 2021, R&B continued its steady growth by signing contracts with major domestic franchise companies. In 2022, we applied for 3 important patents for eco-friendly product manufacturing and production, as well as patents for eco-friendly water-soluble coating agents and eco-friendly food containers. As Li앤비 has been growing continuously since 2018, with a focus on customers and the environment, all products are printed using eco-friendly printing methods, making them safe for use. We also have a state-of-the-art cleanroom facility at the largest production site in Korea, ensuring that the products are hygienic and safe. As a specialized eco-friendly product company, Li앤비 is striving for qualitative growth through steady product development and efforts rather than quantitative growth. Currently, we hold numerous domestic and international patents in the eco-friendly product field, as well as international certifications such as ISO and FSC certifications. Here are the test results for safety verification. We have been certified by internationally accredited inspection agencies such as SGS and ONMOS as a very safe product. We also conduct regular quality inspections. The concern for the environment and people has manifested through continuous technological development, resulting in Li앤비 registering an impressive 10 domestic patents, filing 2 overseas patents, and achieving PCT application. Number 1 in the domestic production and sales of eco-friendly paper straws, Li앤비. Li앤비 is not only focused on sales, but also on reducing social costs and protecting the environment by recycling wasted resources. Li앤비 has introduced a nationwide collection system through its paper straw collector to recycle paper cups, milk cartons, and other products into pulp, with a 90% recycling rate. In addition, Li앤비 has made efforts to develop various eco-friendly products, such as paper wet wipes made of 100% natural pulp fabric, and umbrella rainwater removers. Through these efforts in product development and distribution, the company has focused on achieving qualitative growth rather than quantitative growth, and has established itself as a leading eco-friendly business. The production of plastic takes 5 seconds. Its usage lasts 5 minutes, but it takes 500 years to decompose. Li앤비, a company specializing in eco-friendly products, is taking the lead in small but important efforts towards sustainable living. Naturally sourced, used in daily life, and back to nature again. At the forefront of the global eco-friendly era, the center of eco-friendly value consumption, Li앤비 Retro. Li앤비 Retro uses 100% eco-friendly materials for its paper straws, which are completely harmless to the human body and have excellent durability and water resistance regardless of temperature, having passed rigorous water resistance tests. In particular, the Li앤bie Retro eco-friendly heat sealing method is the world's first patented heat sealing method that uses high-temperature heat to ensure safety and hygiene. The traditional glue adhesive method involves dipping the adhesive in a pot and applying it to the paper, followed by a drying process. As a result, if stored in a humid place, it may deteriorate or mold may occur. On the other hand, Li앤bie Retro's eco-friendly heat sealing method uses high-temperature air to produce an eco-friendly thermoplastic coating paper, which is sterilized at a high temperature of 380 degrees, making it even more hygienic. In addition, it has passed the standards of the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, and related technologies are registered as patents both domestically and internationally. Produced in Korea with 100% domestic technology. You can trust it. Li앤bie produces various types of straws directly in Korea, according to the material and shape specifications. Large cups are typically used with a diameter of 7 millimeters and a length of 260 millimeters. Medium cups with a diameter of 7 millimeters and a length of 210 millimeters. And small cups with a diameter of 6 millimeters and a length of 160 millimeters. For enjoying fresh fruit juices or refreshing slushies, straws with a diameter of 11 millimeters and a length of 210 millimeters are commonly used. Li앤bie Retro is walking with not only domestic large corporations, but also global franchise companies. Li앤bie is a company that realizes the ESG spirit through various types and eco-friendly patented technologies. It has established itself as a leading company in eco-friendly businesses by forming business partnerships not only with famous franchise cafes such as Starbucks, Paul Bassett, Holly's Coffee, Twosome Place, Coffee Bean, and Dunkin' Donuts, but also with large corporations such as Costco, Yuhan Kimberly, Hansol Paper, and CU. 1. Expansion of paper straw market due to the ban on plastic usage in approximately 90 countries worldwide. 2. Creation of business opportunities for packaging materials based on adhesive coating technology for plastic straws. 3. Contract agreement with global retail group Yuhan Kimberly for supply. 4. Securing cost competitiveness through productivity improvement of smart factories. 5. Internalization and market expansion of environmentally friendly coating materials. Invest in the future value of returning to nature from nature. A sustainable, eco-friendly product specialized company that can realize the value of eco-friendliness. Global top leader, Li앤bie.